Good morning student and welcome to my English language class. Student, today I am going to explain you about the sentence. What is a sentence? But before explaining the sentence, I want to revise your alphabets. Okay, I will start our lesson with alphabets. As you all know, these are our alphabets. These are our capital letters and these are our small letters. Okay, so when we have to make a word, we make a word with the help of these alphabets. Suppose you have to write a word ball. So how will you make the word ball? You will take B from here, B, then this A, small letter A, and double L, ball. This is the ball. Okay, suppose you want to write boy, so you have to take B from small letter, B, O, this O, and Y. So these letters make a word boy, B-O-Y. When we write B-O-Y together, so it makes a word boy. Okay, and P-L-A-Y, play. To make play, we join here P-L-A-Y. Understand? And for with, W-I-T-H. This is your with. Means I want to explain you when we write letters properly in a right sequence, so we make a word. मतलब with the help of alphabets we make a word. Ball, boy, play, with, है ना? Same, if we will write it properly, all these words, if we write in correct sequence, so we can make a sentence. These are our words. Suppose we have to make a sentence. What we have to do? We have to write all these words in a proper sequence. Okay, to write a sentence, we have to write all the words in a proper sequence. Understand? Now let's see. I will make a sentence with the help of these words. First I will write this boy. Okay, boy, B-O-Y, boy. Because boy is our singular. Here is a verb play, so we will use this verb play. P-L-A-Y. This is our singular, so we will use S with verb. Boy plays, then this with ball, then enlarged ball. And at last we will put here one full stop. Boy plays with ball. Now it is a meaningful sentence. Boy plays with ball. But लड़के गेंद से खेलते हैं. So it is meaningful. So we can say it a sentence. Suppose if I will write like this, so it will Plays with boy, ball. Full stop. Now words are same. I used same word, plays, with, boy, ball, and here also all same words, boy, plays, with, ball, but these are in a proper manner, है ना. but here these words are not in proper manner, सही तरीके से नहीं लिखे गए हैं, तो it is our meaningless. This one is meaningless and this one is, and this sentence has a meaning, है ना. तो sentence means group of words makes complete sense. ठीक है, a group of words which makes complete sense, तो उसे हम कहते हैं sentence. So it is a sentence, but this one is not a sentence because the sequence of the words are not correct. Understand? Now, and one more thing, whenever we start our work of sentence, suppose you have to write a sentence, so always start your sentence with capital letter. Understand? And in the end of a sentence we have to put the full stop. Okay, suppose I will write this sentence like this: boy plays with ball. Okay, so this sentence is not correct. Why? Because here when I start my this sentence with boy, so I not write here capital B, and neither I put a full stop here. So this sentence is wrong. Here is grammatical mistake. That mistake is I not used here capital letter capital B, and I not put here one full stop also. Understand? So whenever you write a sentence, always start with a capital letter, and in the end of the sentence you have to put the full stop. Understand? Now here I am writing some more sentence. Okay, now you can see I am writing here few sentence. Oh sorry, few words. Milk gives us cow. These are our words. Milk gives us cow. So I have to make a sentence with the help of these four words, and I can write here the also. So how will I start my sentence? Now I will write the cow. Then cow. फिर what the cow is doing? Cow gives. What the cow doing? Cow gives. What gives cow? Cow gives us milk. Understand? Now this is a sentence because it has a meaning. The cow gives us milk, full stop. Suppose I will write it like this. The cow gives us milk. Now is it right? No. This one is correct and this one is incorrect. Why? Why this one is incorrect? Because I not start my sentence with capital letter. Here I put the full stop, but I not start my sentence with capital letter. So it is not correct. Means it is incorrect. The cow gives us milk. This sentence is correct because I start my sentence with capital T, and in the end of the sentence I put one full stop also. Understand? So don't forget these two things. Here you can see this is our small t. So this sequence is same of both sentence. दोनों सेंटेंस की सीक्वेंस सेम है, सेम वर्ड्स यूज किए. द काउ gives us milk. But my mistake is I not write here capital T. Understand? So this one is wrong. If we will not write all the words correctly, again it may be incorrect. Suppose I'll write here gives milk us the cow. Again it is wrong because the sequence of words are not correct. We have to write in the beginning the subject जिसके बारे में कहा जा रहा है. Who gives the cow? Or who gives the milk? Cow gives the milk. So we have to write this the cow in the beginning of our sentence. Understand? Student, now here is the definition of the sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. It means a group of words which has a sense. That is our sentence. Okay. Meaningless group of words is not a sentence. Now we have to remember two things about the sentence. First is each sentence begins with a capital letter. Okay, each sentence begins with a capital letter. Always the sentence is start with a capital letter. Second thing, each sentence end with a full stop, and in the end of a sentence we have to put the full stop. Now you can understand this by these example. Your first example is an apple is a fruit. This is wrong. Why? Because here I not start with capital letter. It is a meaningful sentence. An apple is a fruit. Apple एक fruit होता है, but I did here one mistake. What is my mistake? I not write it here capital A. Okay, like this. And here I start my this sentence with capital A. And apple is a fruit, and this full stop clearly. है ना? Here is one capital letter and here is full stop. So this one is right and this one is wrong. Now second, there is a lion in the zoo. There is a lion in the zoo. Again this one is wrong. Why? Because it is yes, it is meaningful. ये मीनिंगफुल है ये सेंटेंस, बट हम इसे कहेंगे इट इज़ नॉट राइट, इट इज़ रॉन्ग. वाई वी विल से इट इज़ रॉन्ग? बिकॉज हियर this T is in a small letter, and here in the end of the sentence here is no full stop. That's why this one is wrong. Okay, now here is its correction. There, this T is capital, and in the end of the sentence here is a full stop also. There is a lion in the zoo. Understand? So don't forget to start your sentence with a capital letter, and in the end of the sentence always put the full stop. Now here is some work which you have to do in your English language notebook. You have to use your 4 lines notebook. Okay, not like me. मेरी तरह ये हिंदी वाली कॉपी यूज़ नहीं करनी है आपको. यू हैव टू यूज़ इंग्लिश 4 lines. ओके, नाउ योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रीअरेंज द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स. मतलब ये जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं 1 2 3 1 to 10 हैं, दीज आर 10. ऑल दीज आर जम्बल वर्ड्स. मतलब ये जम्बल लिखे हुए मैंने आगे पीछे. यू हैव टू रीअरेंज इट. इसको दोबारा से आपको लिखना है और इस तरह से लिखना है कि ये मीनिंगफुल बने. ओके, you have to make all these words meaningful, and you have to pay attention towards the capital letter and full stop also. Okay, and one more homework is here for you. This, rewrite this question. Rewrite means दोबारा से लिखो. Rewrite these sentences putting in the capital and full stop. इसको कैपिटल में लिखना है आपको, एंड यू हैव टू पुट द फुल स्टॉप ऑल्सो. एंड स्टूडेंट, इन ऑल दिस सेंटेंस यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द प्रॉपर नाउन. ठीक है ना? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द प्रॉपर नाउन एंड देन राइट इट अगेन यूजिंग कैपिटल लेटर एंड फुल स्टॉप. These second to in question second there are 10 sentences till here. So you have to do all these work in your English language notebook. Okay, then I will check it also. Understand? So thank you student, and bye bye.